Planner creator friends, so today is a day where I need to declutter and clean up my desk space. It is a hot mess, so I thought it'd be fun today just to take you along with me in how I clean my space. I have a lot of stuff on my desk that I've piled up, some new things that I have purchased, so I'll share that along the way, but let's go ahead and clean up this mess. Okay, first I have these pens here that I picked up at Walmart. They're the Uniball 207 gel. They're both in black, but one is a medium 0.7, the other one is a fine 0.5. So I thought I would give these a try. I'm always picking up pens and trying out new pens. So these I need to set aside in my drawer. So I was able to find some of the new things that come to Walmart, but I always talk about how my Walmart probably just leaves it in a box and pulls it out when it hits clearance because I never see this come out when it's supposed to. I did see a little bit of the other things. I think there was like a pencil pouch and folders and possibly dividers, but I just really wanted the sticker pack. This is one of the Happy Planner's smaller sticker packs, and it says Happy. So it's got like some, brights, colors, probably more for spring, but I thought I would pick this up for $3. So I may want to put this in my stash that I'm using in my organizer, my Mom Life OG sticky note thing. Probably going to put this in here. This is on my desk because I'm not using the big right now because it's summertime. I've switched my planners out, so I have this here. I have some sticker sheets here from the big accessory packs from my big. I actually need to put this back in my cover, which is also on my desk here. So let me just stick this in here real quick. I was trying to do a flip through of my big Happy Planner. I haven't gotten to that yet. So hopefully I'll have that up for you guys to see a mid-year flip through of my big Happy Planner. Okay, so I have this rando petite sticker. These are my favorites, so I'm going to put that back in my organizer. I just picked up some paper pads here. We'll get to those in a second. But in this stack here, I have my die cuts for do some memory keeping with some photos I printed out. So maybe we'll put that in there and set that to the side. I have random trash I need to put in my trash can down here. I have some stickers that I ordered from Alicia, michellexo from Etsy, and really cute. I have these headers here in different colors. I have these stars, and they're both kind of like clear, translucent stickers, but they're a little bit glossy and soft. I have these Disney park stickers, which will be fun. Since we live in California, hopefully we'll get to go to Disneyland or maybe downtown Disney. But yeah, these are glossy too, but they're not as clear or translucent as the first two. And then I got these, she had these softball mom stickers, which were really cute. So those need to go in my Simply Gilded large sticker album because they're a little bit larger. And as well as all the Simply Gilded stickers from the subscription box. I think this is the April box. Natural Beauty. I have all these here that I need to put in the album so I can organize this. I need to put my drawer down here. Okay, so here's my large Simply Gilded album that we can organize and put things together. And then I have a lot of these notepads on my desk. Because this is Be Happy Box, Happy Planner, Companion Pack, Happy Planner, Shine Sticker Studio. I just got these. So I have a lot of these on my desk at the moment. And this is from Hillary, Creative Faith Co. from her shop. So this one actually I'm going to stick in my drawer here. Then I have this Check It Off. I'm going to put in my Skinny Classic Planner, which is also on my desk. I'm going to put that over there. And let me go ahead and put all this stuff in here. So I have Live Love Posh's stickers in here when she has the sheets too. I think currently she's sold out of those. But she does restock her stickers. all of these to put in here. A journaling card. Where to put these? So I have Alicia's here that I will put in here. Okay, and we'll just get rid of that information mailing card that comes with her stickers when you order. I will drop her information down below because she has a lot of cute stickers. All right, so I have that in there. It gets really heavy. Super cute. All right, so this stack here. So this, I've been doing some summer reading, and this is my 2018 journal for my TBRs for 2018. So it's just like a little reading journal that I started in 2018 of some things. So I had this out so I could look back at it, and it is like, oh my gosh, it's kind of embarrassing. But yeah, it's kind of like a Bujo thing. But I was like, oh, I need to revamp that. But this is a journal for Michael's. So I'm going to figure out where to put all these things. So I'm kind of just clearing the little piles, and then I'm going to wipe my desk down, and then we'll reorganize everything. This is the Happy Planner sticker organizer I keep on my desk. So we'll put this on the other side. Here are the 2 new paper pads that I picked up. Damask Love came out at Joann's. Sunshine Boulevard is what it's called, and it's a 6x8, and just has like a bunch of summer fun paper pattern. Super cute. I've collected hers every time she comes out with one, so I just picked one up. They don't have the entire collection out yet, so I just picked up the paper. And then I saw this Park Lane Wild Summer 24 sheet printed cardstock, 12 by 12. This is actually double-sided, so there's print on both sides. And it does have some cuttables, so you can cut these out and put them whatever. So super cute. I love the color. I'm just into jungle vibes right now, and so I thought this would be fun to pick up. So I'm going to put that away, and then I just have my Happy Planner cover here. Okay, so here is my Skinny Classic that I use for social media. I'm just going to put this Check It Off in here in the back. Okay, so then here's my journal. I kind of just moved everything to the side. And put that there for now. And then all these stickers, so I'm going to put that in there. And then this mini one back in here. X-Acto knife. My mini summer planner, so maybe I'll keep these together. My sticker books, that right there. Then, guys, I finally got the Plan Anything deluxe cover. So excited for this. So, let me just share this bad boy. So I ordered, she had this for Go Wild. There's like a bundle with washi and stickers, and then this cute little sticker album organizer. It's super cute and petite, and I just love the wild, bright, pastel colors. So this is super pretty. It's like this pale bubblegum pink in the inside. It does have like this snap closure, and it's all like this yellow gold hardware. And this one's a little bit different from the Simply Gilded. This has the frosted pocket sleeves. So something you're familiar with the like wallets. So this is, but it is double-sided. So it's different from Simply Gilded. That is more of a pocket clear protective pages. So they're a little bit, you know, more see-through, which the Planything one is that frosted. And I have cat hair all over my desk. Another reason why I need to clean up my desk. But I think it's really cute. It's going to be fun to store a bunch of cute stickers on the go. I'm hoping to take this with me on my trip for the summer. And then the star of the show, guys, I got the classic size cover that she designed herself. It's really beautiful in person. It has like this beautiful marble design, and it's kind of ombre here at the bottom where it gets a little bit lighter. It has this cute pink snap here, this band to keep it closed. I kind of like this better, or just having options of having this or having like the snap closure that Happy Planner does. And then this one has actual pockets on the inside. This is very flexible. So on the inside, it's got like this geometric pattern with like this rose gold foiling. It's so pretty. And then Planything is embossed at the bottom. But it does have these bands in here. These bands don't really bother me because they stay pretty flat. So I like having it there for an option in case I want to put a journal in here. You can take them out, no big problem. But I think this is amazing. So let me just put that away. Here's my summer planner that I put together. I have a setup on this planner if you guys want to check that out. Super cute. Love the florals. Yeah, but this baby is going in here. And I just put the back end in that, tuck it into the folder there. Flip that over. Look at this, so pretty. I love how this sticks out up here. It looks really cute. And you just put the band over it. It's very roomy. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love the back side where it has this pink and orange ombre effect, or gradient effect. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So yes, that is my new purchase from Planything, and it got here so quick. I was super shocked about that. Okay, what else is on my desk? So I have my little planner bag, essential tools there. I'm gonna put these sticker books in my little organizer here. And then I can wipe down my desk. Then I have my big Happy Planner here, which I need to film a video of a mid-year flip through. I tried to do that earlier for you guys, but it just would not take. I took forever trying to edit it out, some things, and it just wouldn't work. So I'm just gonna re-film this because I really want to share a flip through. You guys have requested it. And then my Skinny Classic. So, and then I have this beautiful leopard, like really sturdy, kind of a list pad thing. I don't know, it's really cute. I love it. So I just keep it on my desk. So now I'm just gonna like put up my sticker books and then wipe down my desk. Rearrange my desk a little bit. We'll see how this goes. I kind of always rearrange it, but I have my little stack here. So these are all my current planners that I'm using currently for the summer. My Skinny Classic for social media, my mini Happy Planner on the go, just for the summer, and you know, for everyday essential planning. And then my little classic guided journal. It's Frankenplan with a lot of fun things to keep me busy. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently using. So I have that here, and then my reading journal from last year. I just need to have that here so I can reference back to it. Kind of want to do an update on my authors I'd like to read. I have a little library downstairs in my bedroom, so yeah, I want to be able to reference back to that so I can update that. But here's my little planner bags I'll put on here on my desk. I'll give you guys a pan shot here in a minute. So I'm gonna put my big Happy Planner over here as well. And then I'm gonna move this, put those there because I wanna be able to set this up. And the last thing I have is my little notepads. So this thing is getting really stuffed here. This is like a little letter organizer for like, you know, letters and mailing things, but I just use it for whatever. So I have like the new Craftsmith stickers from Michael's back here, and I have Jessica's new sticker book, and then I have some essentials in the back, some fun just like crayons and pencils and stuff. And then my Skinny Classic to switch out in July, I have a Good Vibes bookmark, a cute kitty sticker pack, and then some other goodies up here. But it's getting a little full because I was going to put some of these sticky notes in here, but it's not going to fit. So I'll just have to put this on the desk somewhere. Probably right there. Normally this is how I like my desk to look. Very clean and not a whole lot of of what was going on in the beginning, but I pretty much have like a stack of planners to the right side of me, or whatever projects I'm working on I will put over there, and then I will put things on the left side of me. But I like to have this space right here very open and clean and decluttered. But eventually I'd like to have another, oh, there's my trash, another spot down here for another drawer like I have on this side, because that will make a lot of empty space on top of my desk. So I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me type of a video. I just had to get some of this stuff cleaned up, and I thought maybe it would inspire you to get some of your cleaning done in your office space for the summer. So thanks so much for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.